It's a Buddha. Oh, watch out, cause Buddha gonna get you. Oh, Buddha gonna get you. Buddha gonna get you. Buddha gonna get you. Buddha gonna get him. Buddha gonna get Buddha.
Because it's funny. I feel like you're just jealous because Belle's getting the attention, actually.
I feel like the guy off Revenant.